Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, speed test September. Yes, the first Friday of the month. I always do a speed test. In today's newspaper on Friday, September the 1st, 2023, we have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles here. Friday, September the 1st. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2, the 3, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, aka Jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. 1 with 4 stars and 1 with a 1 star. And the final, the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. In these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but first these 2 regular puzzles. Yeah, it's the speed test without comments, without instructions, and this will be a number 7019. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku. Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star, and for 1 star you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, but I will do this without any comments, without any instructions. It's a speed test, so let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 9. Okay, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, 9, 9. The 2, 1, the 4, the 8. Need an 8 here. 8, 5. Need a 6. 6. Here I need a 6. 6. 6. Alright. 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 8 and 7. 5, need a 5 here. 1, 4, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. Okay. The other 2 should be the 7 and the 3. 7 and the 3. Need a 7. You know, 1 here, 1, 7, and the 4, 1, 7, and a 4. This should be an 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and the 3 is missing. Need a 7 here, 1 and the 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. No. Here, the 1 and the here, 8, I believe. Here, 5 and the 3. The 4 here. 6. Come on. 8 and the 5. Need a 5 here. 1, 2. Need a 7 here. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3. Need a 3 here. 2 here. Okay, here 1 5 7 1 5. Here can be a 1. This should be a 1. Here 5. This should be a 4 then. 4 here. 5 and 7 should be here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then 9. Okay, need an 8 there, and then need a 9 here. We have a pair here, so 7 here should be the 7. This should be the 7. This should be the 5. 1 2 no 3 4 6 3 4 6. This should be the 3 4 6. These two 5 and 3. This is a 3 5 5 3. 1 2 3 4 and 6. 5 5 5 9. Here 2 and 6, I believe. We have a 6 there. 2 8 and 3. 8 8 8 9. 6 4 4 and 9. Correct in 7 minutes exactly. -2 5 minutes. Well, without instructions, without comments. Let me check if this is correct. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Correct. 5 minutes. Wow, I'm pleased with the time. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, if you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku, also with a speed test. Alright, see you in a minute. Bye bye for now.